And we've got some breaking news coming in now. Indian Army will restart patrolling up to the line of actual control, including at patrol point 14, after verifying that the pullback and disengagement is happening as per promises by the Chinese. The Army will patrol again. The current restrictions, which is a buffer zone of about 1.5 kilometers on both sides of patrol point 14, has only been made there temporarily to avoid any untoward flare-up of the kind that happened on June the 15th. The India-China border buffer zone, which we reported to you first here on India Today yesterday, is temporary, and that the Indian Army will continue to patrol that zone once verifications of the disengagement are complete. Abhishek Bhalla live with us on this breaking story. Abhishek, there had been some apprehensions in some quarters that, this mutual pullback and the creation of a buffer zone basically meant that the Indian Army is not patrolling areas or is not being able to patrol areas that it was earlier having access to, which is right up to patrol point 14. But this clarification coming in says that once verifications are complete, this buffer zone that is a temporary feature to avoid any flare-up will no longer be in existence, and patrolling will happen after that.
That's right, Shiv. One needs to understand that patrol point 14 is the line of actual control as far as India is concerned. And that's why it's called a patrol point. It means that Indian army troops can go up till that point for patrolling. As per agreements, they cannot camp there. That's the reason why this flare-up had taken place in Galwan in the first place, because the Chinese had come up till PP14. They had put up permanent structures, they had put up their tents, and they were virtually camping there. And this is what India was objecting to. Now that there has been disengagement of some sort, because earlier there was, there were at least 1,000 to 1,500 troops just meters away from each other. So they have now gone back. So there is a buffer zone, as you correctly said, but once the verification process is over, which should take about 72 hours, and it should ideally end by tomorrow, then Indian patrols should be able to go till patrol point 14. If they are unable to go till there, then I'm afraid once again there could be some kind of a confrontation.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.